Hi, welcome to this video. Today we are going to explore YouTube VR. So here you just go to YouTube and you write YouTube virtual reality, and here you are going to find a lot of videos that is include virtual reality. So here you can find about animals, about astronauts, medicine, history. Oh, you can learn a lot. Remember that virtual reality builds meaningful learning, and students can learn while they are having fun or experimenting another situations. So this is YouTube VR. So you can just look at these videos, these informations that you will find here, and students can use VR lens, and they can learn from these experiences. They can learn from these meaningful activities that you are going to create with them. They are going to have fun, they are going to learn together. Like here we're going to choose one video, and you can use it with your Google, with your virtual lens, and your students are going to enjoy the experience. So like having the same experience as it's occurring in the video, so students are going to feel it, and they can retain information in a long way. So this is an example. Try to use this activity, this platform in your classrooms, and create meaningful experiences with your students.